rooster, the dog, and the fox.
Say, Rooster, let us take a long trip together.
Good idea, let's go.
We have walked many miles, and it is getting to be dark. Don't you think we should find a place to sleep?
Good idea. I will fly up to that high branch to sleep. Where will you sleep?
I'll sleep in the hollow.
In the hole.
In the hole.
Of the trunk.
Trunk.
Sleep, sleep. Well, in the morning we will continue our journey.
Journey.
Good night, Rooster.
The sun is rising. I had better
Announce.
to the people that it is morning. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Time to get up. Everybody up.
That rooster crowing. Perhaps this rooster will be my breakfast. Good morning, rooster.
Good morning, Fox.
Was that you I just heard crowing?
Yes, it was Fox.
You have a beautiful voice. It is so loud and clear.
Why, thank you.
You crow so beautifully that I would like to be your friend.
Why, thank you.
Why don't you come down so we can have a chat?
I have a better idea. Why don't you come up, go around to the back of the tree to the hole in the trunk. Wake up, my friend, and he will let you in.
Thank you, Rooster. I know we're going to be great friends.
People who are not honest too often get into trouble.
Rooster.
My name is Rooster, and I play the dog.
My name is Samantha.